Well, I'm at Jan McNeelan's and I was stealing some berries, and here I see her out here in the grape arbor.
By
so,
golly.
Jan, what are you doing?
Well, I've got some vigorous grapes here that aren't producing on the ends of these, and they're going up into the apple tree. And all I'm doing is opening it up to give some air circulation to the grapes that are here, and also maybe preventing some mildew later on. So there's no rocket science to doing this. It's just try not to cut off the grapes.
Yeah, oh, gee, yeah.
That's pretty much all you
Good
do. These grapes now are only growing on the east side because
Oh, the shade.
of the shade on the other side of the apple tree. But actually we've got a few more grapes this year than we usually do. So, so I'm just pruning it back. I won't show you how to clean up. You guys know how
We'll
to
do that later.
Just pulling it out of the apple tree and just
Okay.
giving it some air circulation, and then
What about raspberries?
well, raspberries are over there, and these are Marion berries
Okay.
and boysenberries. And right now, these are nice live vines. What you want to do is take out the dead ones that will die back later. You can tell on the raspberries which are the new canes and which are the old ones. And then you don't want to cut any of the new foliage because you've got berries on the end, and you're going to have some fall berries from those.
Perfect. And then what about strawberries? Should we be doing something with that?
Well, this time of year, I used to mow them, you guys. We did it one
Right,
year
right.
with the tractor. But you can, if you've got strawberries, even in pots, not the ever-bearing kind, but the June-bearing kind that you can cut clear down to the crown and fertilize in August. And then it'll set the berries for next year.
Oh, perfect.
So that's what you want to do, is encourage them to be healthy.
Ah, excellent. And then, so we had all this heat, and now it's kind of a little cooler, and so who knows what's going to happen next week. So how about watering this time of year? What should we be doing?
Your plants are going to tell you what they need. You don't want to wait for some of them to tell you. But to me, deep watering is much better than just squirting things and making you feel like you did the watering, because what happens is it encourages the roots to come to the surface to get that water. And if you water deeply and less often, they'll go down. And then when you forget to water or can't, your plants will be less stressed.
That is true. So you have a little bit of time frame in case you miss a day or two.
Right, right.
And then what about wasps? They have been kind of aggressive this month and the
Well,
last few weeks.
They always are in the fall, and they're after water, and they're after any kind of meat. If you're out doing hamburgers or salmon or whatever, they're after that. They're not after you. You start batting them at them, and then they'll be more aggressive. You can, at least we've always had good luck with using Bounce original dryer sheets.
I saw them on your patio, yeah.
Yeah, and it sort of messes up their system to find the smells of what they're after, and we've had pretty good luck with that. And I'm sure there's other ways too, but that works pretty well. And they're just after water too. They just need a lot of water, like we do in the summer.
Right, and we're just in the way, and they're bothering us.
Right,
so.
right.
Well, good tips all. Well, you know, Jan has a lot of tips. If you want to come over and help her, I'm sure she's always ready to
really,
get some
we've
more
got
people.
this whole row to do.
And if you have any questions, please go to Garden Time. We'll click you over to the OSU website where there's lots of answers to those questions. Thanks so much. Oh, the lemon, we'll check it next month.
Yeah, it's growing, more new growth on it, no flower buds yet, so we'll see what it does. We'll check it next month.
Okay, and we'll check the lemon next month. Thanks so much.